All right, this is my first video my series on sharing resources with teachers. My first resource that I wanted to show you is ck12.org. This is a free online textbook site. I don't know about you guys, but our textbooks in our district are ancient, like from the 80s. And especially the science books, like the science is so out of date. Like, not only is Pluto still a planet, like there are elements of the periodic table that are missing. So this allows you, it doesn't just allow you to get free textbooks. It actually allows you to look at the text and actually change the text as you need to. So, for example, if some of the wording is too complicated for your kids, you can change the wording to make it simpler to kind of differentiate down to lower level readers. You can choose just specific chapters to go in your own textbook. You can literally design your own textbook. So once you get logged in, you have a library that you can go to, and you can start looking through different textbooks. You can create a new textbook here. Here is a textbook that I just opened up, and you can see there are different chapters in here. This one's already in my library. You can add it to a Flexbook, which means that this Flexbook is something that you can change. That's where you can edit it and everything. You can download it even as a PDF. So you have a lot of versatility in this. I'm going to go ahead and click edit to kind of show you guys some of the features here. So again, like you can rearrange chapters as you need to. You can click and drag them. You can delete them. You can open it up and look at the different sections. And you can see here, I open this up and give it a second to load. And here's where you can actually edit and change the wording of your text. You can add in your own activities and pictures into it. Really make it your own, which I thought was really cool. So that is CK12.